Look at the Brenda Bits today. I'm so excited for this Brenda Bits because I got a lot of new baking things. You know, so how with the Ro in her video, she has these bowls to like separate everything. I got those now. I also have something new that I want to show you guys. That is a key part of this video. But today we're going to be making an orange pound, well, it's a pound cake, but an orange cake. And it's going to be so good. Things we're going to need is all-purpose flour, bread or cake flour, butter, salt, baking powder, orange extract, 2 eggs, sugar, and milk. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add in our salt. Go on, you little salt. And then we're going to add in our cake or bread flour, whichever one you have. I only have bread, so let's go on and using okie dokie. And then our baking powder. And then we want to, well, this is a messy recipe, that's for sure. This is definitely a messy recipe. Oh, shows a good thing I washed my hands before this. Then we're going to whisk it, whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. Here I've got the giant bowl. Now we're gonna add in our butter. Whoa. And our sugar. Get in there. I'm trying to get it all out. This recipe is really hard already. Oh, and now we're going to mix it, whisk it, whatever you want to say you're gonna do to it to make it all light and fluffy, which is the always happens to me. It's not fair. Well, now that our stuff is nice and fluffy, we now want to add in our eggs. Boop, boop. And then mix it together one more time with our Wix. Wix? Like the website to help you make apps? Whisk. I almost forgot another key part. Vanilla extract. So now we're going to add these extracts in. The first time I've ever added 2 extras at the same time into one. Oh, yes. I love orange. Orange anything is like heaven. Heaven and a half. Is that the same? Heaven and a half? It's the same now. Just mix it really well. Just mix it really well. Just mix it. Down, do you Alrighty, now we have our milk, we have our wet ingredients, we have our dry ingredients. You know what to do. You know what to do. Oh wait, I probably should move this. No, whisk. Thank you. 1/3 of the dry. Then mix it. Ooh. It's starting to turn into a scrumptious cake batter. You guys, I am so excited. Can't forget to scrape down the sides. We're gonna get all this flour in there to make sure that the cake is cakey. If that makes sense. Ow, it hurts. And then have the milk. And then you want to mix it again. And mix. Now it's very watery. And then you add the second third of the dry, which is what we're about to do now. It'll get more dense. I want this to be a nice dense batter, but dense but like moist, if that makes sense. Oh, it's probably the best pancake batter. Another third of our dry, mixing. I could probably be adding a little bit more to these thirds, but we're already here and I'm already doing stuff, so. Because our last third is pretty big. It's probably the biggest third we've had. Mix. It smells like orange in heaven. Oh, I love orange cakes. And now we're gonna add a glass of our milk. Not a dry. This is not dry at all, for sure. As long as I don't spill anything, everything is okay. Everything is awesome. Okay, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't know what I'm doing or saying. My arms hurt from whisking so much. This is a workout. We gotta make sure that all of that gets in here. Wait, this isn't bad. This is flour. Hey, seriously, I'm sleepy. We got into like a small car accident yesterday. After that, I was flustered. I was floored. I don't really know what floored means, but it sounded appropriate. Sounds appropriate. I was flustered, and I was tired, and I was ready to go home. We were all tired, so we were like, let's just go home. Yes, it's turning into a nice, thick batter. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, this is a really thick batter. Oh. I'm so happy, guys, because this is just the consistency that I was looking for. And to really give it the orange cake look, I just have some orange food coloring I'm gonna add. Get in there, food coloring. Just to really give it that orange cake, not feel, but like look. Now we're just gonna mix it until it's all incorporated. I can't talk, so just don't bother. Like if you wanna watch a real tutorial on how to bake something, don't come to my channel. Maybe go to Man About Cake. Maybe Bro. Maybe how can who else bakes? Maybe Gordon Ramsay's channel. But then again, he only does like 30-second clips. Maybe Food Network. Their Instagram Tasty. They have an app, a website. Their stuff is really tasty. Stuff is really tasty. So I mean, if you want to don't come to my channel for an actual tutorial on how to bake something. Because we all know how that really works out. Like we do. OMG, guys, so far so good. It has that orange cake look. Pause. Okay, well, it won't pause. But now I can show you guys. I've been waiting to show you guys. Besides the bowls, but there's something different. There's something else. Well, it won't pause, so I just get it. That was quite loud. I got a little loaf tin to make this orange cake. I guess it would be a pound cake if it's in a loaf tin. I mean, I already knew all along it was a pound cake. I just want to say that because I wanted my loaf tin thing to be a surprise. Oh, this batter's very dense. So having a helping hand comes in handy. I keep making jokes, guys. I'm so funny. Why don't you hire me to be on like a Netflix comedy show, something like that, like a Hulu comedy show? I would probably do better than like Colleen Ballinger. Oh boy, I'm making a mess. That's messy. I wasn't expecting this batter to be so dense. It's like really dense and thick. Like this is thicker than, I don't know, I'm not very thick. But that saying kind of just gets on my nerves sometimes. Like, where did you even get thick from? Like, oh boy, oh boy. Here's another problem. I don't know if this is non-stick. So, it's gonna be loud. The meat is for glaze, and I have the cake, and we're gonna take it out. Oh, it came out pretty easily, so it's definitely, whoa, it's definitely done. And the pan is definitely non-stick, so thank you, pan, I love you very much. Now we're gonna make our glaze by adding in the milk and the orange extract. Yum, 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 yum. It's gonna be an orange flavored glaze to go with the orange flavored cake. Let's take a try of this glaze. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Don't mind my siblings, they're playing. Now we're just going to pour glaze on the loaf. It's okay if it drips. Just take a paper towel and you can clean it up. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so excited for this cake. Loaf. Now we're gonna put it in the fridge to chill and let the glaze harden. I'm gonna wash all these bowls and mess that I made. And yeah. I let it cool and now it's hardened, the glaze. The cakes are done. Now I get to try one. I put in a lot of work. Should be good. Definitely getting the first slice. I cut it into pieces to look more like bread, to look like a loaf cake. That's what it is. Mmm. This is the perfect combination. Not too sweet. Not too bitter. Mmm. It'd be really good with a glass of milk. Yes, please. Hey guys, bye. This worked out the best, probably ever on my channel.